Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, where we help you master all things crypto and finance. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on OKX step by step. Whether you want to transfer USDT or receive it, this guide will make sure you know exactly where to find your wallet address. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your OKX account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and easy. You can access OKX via their website or your desktop or use their mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android. Once you are logged in, head to the Assets section. On the web, you will find it at the top right corner of the page. If you are on the mobile app, look for Assets tab at the bottom of your screen. Now, from the Assets page, click on Deposit. This is where you will choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. In this case, we are going to select USDT. After clicking Deposit, a list of cryptocurrencies will appear. Search for USDT, Tether, and click on it. Once you have selected USDT, you will need to choose the correct blockchain network. Make sure to select ERC20 as the network. USDT can be sent on multiple networks, but ERC20 is the network that runs on Ethereum. So it's important to select the correct one for compatibility. Once you have selected USDT and ERC20, your unique wallet address will be displayed. This is the address where you will receive your USDT tokens. Simply click Copy to copy this address to your clipboard. You can now share this address with anyone who wants to send you USDT. Just a quick tip, always double check the wallet address before sending or receiving any crypto. If you paste the wrong address, your funds could be lost forever. And that's it. You have now successfully found and copied your USDT ERC20 wallet address on OKX. Remember, always choose the correct network, in this case, ERC20 for Ethereum-based USDT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more crypto and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.